Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. We would also like to note that the current F-150 front mud flaps do fit the F-150 Lightning. If you are ordering through Ford Accessories, the front F-150 kit is what you're looking for. If ordering through the aftermarket, our front and rear kits will have everything you need. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 factory push pins from the front of the factory guard. Then remove the push pin circled here from the underside of the vehicle. Then, using a 1/4 inch bolt and a 1 inch black flat washer, attach the brackets supplied of your kit to the hole on the underside of the vehicle. Secure this hardware in place using a nylon washer, a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. This hardware can be seen fully installed in the following clip. Now we will begin attaching the flap to the vehicle. Attach the hole shown here using a screw and flat washer. Secure this hardware to the back of the flap using a nylon washer, a stainless steel washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. This hardware can be seen fully installed in the following clip. Now move down and attach the 2 center holes of the flap using 2 sets of screws and black flat washers. We will be securing this hardware into a strip washer on the back of the flap. The strip washer will need to be placed behind the 2 factory holes on the fender as seen here. Once your strip washer is in place, secure your flap to it using 2 sets of screws and flat washers. Now secure the flap to the bracket using 2 sets of flat washers and machine screws. With the flap now roughly in place, take a marker and mark the position of the top 2 holes in the mud flap onto the fender lip. Now move the mud flap aside and position 2 strips of Durastrip included with your kit over these marks. With the Durastrip in place to protect the paint on your vehicle, install 2 spring nuts directly over top of the marked areas. Then secure your flap to the spring nuts using 2 sets of cap screws and flat washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.